Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing today? We're going to do a two-parter on the Mondeo Ford GT GTE. This has got to be my favourite car because it's so super fast, it's amazing. However, if you recollect back to our Christmas edition, our Christmas track, so I've got the hiccups here, it's going to be fun recording, isn't it? Let's just take that spoiler off. We all know how I feel about spoilers, right, track fans? Bit flimsy. Someone on the Facebook Scalextric Enthusiasts asked the other day, what do you think I should 3D print with my new 3D printer? And there was a barrage of people saying, spoilers, wing mirrors, chassis, all sorts of great stuff. So look out for that one. Anyway, when we had the great fall on the Christmas track, this never really worked the same. So what I've done is I opened it up last night, had a little look inside it, and I noticed the magnet has gone, which is a bonus because it means we don't have to take it out, Albert. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it together. We're going to take it trackside. I've put the silicone tyres on that I had on the Aston Martin. They seem to fit okay. So, and they are size 17.8 by 10 millimeters. Don't know if you can see that there. There you go. And you can get these ones in particular from Pendle Slot. Anyway, so look at these hiccups, I tell you, track fans. Anyway, I'm going to give this a dust out, put the lid on it, spoiler on it, take it trackside. We're going to give it a little test to see how it drives with silicone tyres, no magnets. We're going to do the similar format, do a quick track preview because we're on track 96. Get in there. 96. And then we're going to do a race with it so we can see how it handles. We'll see it on the track preview. Great track. Really, really tasty. I've had a go on it already. It's really good fun. And then in part 2, which will be track 97, we're going to modify this bad boy. I've been in communications with the guys online. We're going to change the gears, the axles, the motor. Oh mama, it is going to be slick. So stay tuned for this one. Stay tuned for the next one. See you trackside, track fans. Here comes the track preview. Good morning, track fans. Hey Albert, how you doing, mate? I hope you're well. It's a bit cold this morning. I'm recording Sunday morning. Track preview was done last night, Saturday night. So if you see some differences in light, that is why. We're doing a staggered recording this weekend. It's a very, very busy one. Anyway, we've got the Ford GT GTE, as mentioned in the introduction. This is part 1. This is no magnets, silicone tyres. I want to show you guys how this runs. There's no weights. It is just literally stage 1 modification. Change the tyres, remove the magnets. So without further ado, I'm going to try my best to keep it on the track as long as possible. Are you ready, Albert? Are you ready, track fans? Ford, let's drive! Straight into the first R3 corner, kicks it out on that turn. Got to take it easy around here because the Mondeo does like to drift, as you will see. Look at that drift there. Yes, he's kicking out a little bit because I am trying to get my bearings whilst talking and filming. Isn't the easiest. And yes, a little bit of drift there. We'll get some more confidence as we go through the track. We'll get it going on through the R1 hairpin and out, whips round Gambon, straight up the long straight, whips it round there, into the long drive overpass and down into Chicago corner, powers through Hammerhead and onto Dunlop. Oh, through the... Oh, we'll get round there. I'll tell you about those in a minute, guys. Oh, this is such an exciting track anyway. So, try and get out of the picture a little bit so we don't get a focus on the wrong cameras. Drifting round Bentley Bend. 1, 2, 3. Lane changes, Neil. Neil, 3. Not 1, not 2, but 3 lane changes. Lovely drift there from the Ford GTE. Lovely drift there again through Chicago. Brings it round Bentley. Oh, he's getting some power in the machine. I'm going to start to drive it now. Oh, look at that drift. Beautiful drift. And into Bentley through 1 lane change. Oh, he's lane changed. Oh, he's come off. Look at this, track fans. He is off the track. Off the track. Back on the track. Get into the race now. Come on, power it out down the R3. Get a bit of drift. Bit of drift. He's stuck. No, he's made it. Yes. Get in there. Right through Chicago and under the Dunlop Bridge now. Nice kick out. Nice kick out. Nice drift. We do like a bit of drift here in the track fans then. Not too much though, because it slows the race down. Even we seem to have lost the spoiler. The spoiler has gone. No idea where it's gone. Albert, can you see the spoiler on the track as we drive around? Who knows? Right, let's just pause him there. Anyone see the spoiler? No? Okay, let's carry on with the race then. Into the long, I'm going to get down here for some of this drifter. Yes, drifter is the nice little bit of drift on the camera. We'll want to kick out coming into the long R3, see if we can get some around there too. Oh, that was not too bad at all. This is anyone else doing some track fan action today? Building tracks, racing your cars, seeing what's happening trackside at your place. We'd love to see some of your images of your tracks, of your racing, see some modifications of the car. Nice drift there. Feel free to email them over. We'll get them in on the end of the next episode to the little fanzine zone. Oh, he's recovered those silicone tiles. Tiles, that's what I do for a living. Tyres, they are excellent. I love silicone tyres. I highly recommend them. So the Mondeo, not Mondeo, my word. I am not on fire this morning, you can tell it's Sunday. So the Ford GT GTE took a horrific fall, an absolutely horrific fall from the top of the racking on the Christmas edition. And we are trying to revive him back to life because A, is my favourite car, and B, can you find one of these anywhere online at the moment without selling a rib with money to afford it? No. Loving the drift now. I'm used to the track whilst recording and talking. This is all going well now, apart from that corner. So let's make this our last lap, track fans. Here we go on the last one on the bounce. Yes, drifting for the final corner. Bringing it round. See if I can get something constructive on this one. Oh, yeah. Lovely, and brings it to pole. There it is. Right, track fans, Albert, I'm going to see you on the next episode. It will be the Ford GTE again. We're going to try and get some car parts for him, soup him up a little bit, make him a little bit more exciting, if it's not already exciting enough. See you soon, Albert. See you soon, track fans. Have a great weekend.